Hi there, this is Dipendra Khatioda, and I would like to add the reset button on my program. So here I go, I have made this so far, and now I'm going to add the reset button. So here I go to the adding to the library and then go for a button here. Try to fix it first as per how I want to show it to my display screen, I would say. Then I will try to fix the dimension of the reset button. I'm going to change the rename the name as well. Since it's a reset button, I'll do the reset button to make it look a little bit beautiful and a little bit bigger. I go to a style. Instead of plain. I'll go for default, where it will give me option to change the system font, and I will go a little bit higher so I can make it seem like there's a reset button down there. So 30 looks good. I would want to have a beautiful color on it. Since it's a reset button, I would like to put the red color on it. So I go to the background and then I go for a system red color, and then I will make it a little bit bigger to make it looks good. That's it. No need of these changes. Just I want to make sure this looks good there. Yeah, looks fantastic. Now I will try to add it to my code. I go this and try to insert the action. The connection should be the action. The name should be reset, since we are making a reset button. So I do reset and I connect it, and then I'll write my program. Here, since I want to change this counter, I want to reset this counter here. So I'll make it counter 0, and then I will write my counter as it is on the above code. It says my counter.text. I write the same statement here, equals to string. I go counter not equal to. This should be fine here. I save it and build it here and activate the scheme. My program build succeeded. Now it will launch the counter. 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Here, now I would like to see whether my program runs successfully. First, I would like to add here, goes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I subtract over here, I do the subtract, and it worked. Now I do the reset here with this reset button, and boom, 0. Well, thank you so much